Everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am a web developer who loves building clean, modern and fully responsive website. In today's video, I am excited to give you a sneak peek into one of my recent website projects. This website was built with both performance and user experience in mind. I focus on creating a layout that's not only visually appealing but also highly functional. Whether you are viewing it on desktop, tablet, or mobile, everything adjusts seamlessly thanks to responsive design principle. From clean typography to carefully chosen color platters and navigation, every detail was crafted to make the user journey smooth and engaging. The home page provides a strong first impression while the inner pages are structured to deliver content clearly and effectively. I have also optimized this site for speed and SEO, ensuring it loads quickly and rank well on search engine because let's face it, a beautiful website is only useful if people can actually find it. If you enjoy this design, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more web development content, tutorials, and real project showcases. And if you are a business owner or looking to get a stunning professional website built just like this one, feel free to contact me. I love to help bring your online presence to life. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.